To set up Zelle on the Chase app, start by opening the Chase mobile app on your phone and logging into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, where you can view a list of your accounts and balances. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Pay and Transfer button, which you should tap to proceed. On the Pay and Transfer screen, look for the Send Money with Zelle button and tap on it. This will open the Pay Bills and Send Money with Zelle screen. When you tap on this screen, the app will prompt you to set up Zelle. As you haven't enrolled yet, you'll be asked to select an address for Zelle, which can be either an email or a phone number. After selecting your preferred address, in this case, a phone number, the app will send a one-time code as a text message to verify that you own the phone number. If you receive the code, it confirms that the phone number is yours. Your iPhone may offer to automatically enter the verification code, which you can agree to and then tap Next. If the phone number is already registered with another bank, such as Capital One, you'll be asked to confirm that you want to transfer the address to Chase. To do this, tick the checkbox to agree to the transfer and then tap Next. Once you've completed these steps, Zelle payments sent to your phone number will be credited to your Chase account. Essentially, you'll have transferred your Zelle account from the previous bank to Chase. This process can be repeated with other banks that have integrated Zelle, such as Bank of America or Citibank.